Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change skip forward on YouTube using your iPhone or Android device. The skip forward on YouTube is one of the most useful playback controls for mobile users. It allows you to quickly jump ahead in a video with a double tap, making it easier to skip intros, move past ads within long content, revisit key moments, or even navigate to the part you actually want to watch. By default, YouTube uses a preset number of seconds for this action. For instance, 10 seconds, but many users do not realize that the skip forward time can be customized directly in the app settings. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device, and then you have to tap on the profile tab located at the bottom. After that, you have to tap on the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to head over to video and audio preferences section and choose the playback option. After that, select skip forward and back option. And finally, you have to choose the preferred skip forward and back time such as 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 60 seconds. And once you have selected the preferred option, quit the settings, and that's about it. Changing the skip forward setting on YouTube is a small adjustment that can make a big difference in how you watch videos. So whether you choose shorter skips for better accuracy or longer jumps for faster navigation, customizing this feature helps you watch content more efficiently and comfortably. Since the process is available on both iPhone and Android, you can update the setting anytime through the YouTube app in just a few taps. And once you have made the right changes, your double tap forward gesture will feel more personalized and better suited to the type of videos you watch most often. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to enhance your video watching experience, and I'll catch you in the next one.